Meet Ariel Fanaafi Aimiti Ioane, a third-year student at the Otago University in Aotearoa. Ariel is studying medicine, a path she chose to pursue whilst being a student here at Le Amosa Savavau school in Matai.
I think one thing that I learned throughout school here is that hard work pays off, and hard work beats talent. And when you put your head down and you do your best to the best of your abilities, that's where you get to go places.
The former Le Amosa student says knowing who you are and where you come from is what has helped her throughout her academic journey.
I think one thing that I finally realized maybe the middle of last year is knowing who you are and being able to harness what you've learned in your culture and integrating it into what you're studying. And one thing that Samoans do that I stand by is treating everybody with the utmost respect and treating our elderly with the utmost respect.
Miss Ioane also told Savavau how her academic life was shaped right here at Le Amosa Savavau, a school founded by her grandmother, the late Aiono Faanafi Le Tagaloa. While home in Samoa, it's no holiday for Ariel. She loves helping out at the school, and it's all about giving back and inspiring the next generation.
Well, I really do believe that experience holds some value. So with every year that I've come back, I've seen a little bit more of the bigger picture of what you need when you're transitioning from high school to university. And being able to share that with my old classmates is really an honor and a privilege. And it's also very humbling because then it tests me about what I know and what I don't know.
A third-year medical student, Ariel encourages other scholarship students to make the most of the opportunity.
I think one thing that I really would like to highlight is well done that you've made it to where you are, but never forget that nobody gets somewhere alone, especially in the way we're brought up. You always stand on someone else's shoulders, and those shoulders are either your parents, your teachers, whoever's inspired you to be where you are now. And what you do next is also a reputation of them.
Serving and helping others is what motivates Ariel to continue on with her studies at the Otago University. She already knows exactly where she wants to be once she graduates.
I hope to come back. Hopefully, God willing, that will happen after I graduate. And I think, as I've mentioned before, is all I really want to do is to just help. Because I realize that I have little to no knowledge about how the health system is run in Samoa. And what I may have learned in New Zealand is different because it is geared to New Zealand. And I'm just probably hoping to come back and be very willing to learn whatever it is that will be given to me.
Ariel departed for Aotearoa earlier today with 3 more years to go at Otago University. This promising doctor says to get far, you need to work hard.
I think one important thing that you should know is that you should be certain that this is what you want to do.
Aisha Hutch for Telephone.